Nani Bojokwe. My name is Cynthia Belfit, and I'm the Indigenous Counselor and Student Engagement here at the Indigenous Student Affairs Office. My role is to provide counseling services to the Indigenous students while they're here with us.
The new space that we have now, I find it's really helpful towards building that community on campus, for not just for the Indigenous students, but for all students at Laurentian as a whole.
I know Indigenous students use the space. I know non-Indigenous students use the space. And I think that's good for creating a bridge and knowledge sharing and knowing, this is what we do. And I think it also helps Indigenous students feel more comfortable on the campus when other people are learning about different cultures and being more inclusive or making an effort to learn.
Yeah, I think the most exciting thing about our new space is that it's open, and that's what we're trying to create here at Laurentian, is this open, inclusive environment. And so when you walk in, you see the elements. So you see the earth, you see wood, you kind of see the window, you see outside, you see the trees. And so as you walk in through the windows, the sun is shining. You can see our Indigenous Sharing and Learning Center, where we'll host our events in our community, and our students are able to celebrate in there and all learn as well. So we'll have a lot of teachings in there. And then as you go through, there's another safe space for students to connect, right? So we really want them to be comfortable in the space. You have comfy chairs, you have places to sit, places to eat, and a place to share and network. So we want to make sure that there's always this knowledge exchange between our students. We are in the front, and what I'm excited about our Indigenous Sharing and Learning Center, and our president, Dominic Giroux, said it when we did our groundbreaking, is our Indigenous people are the first people that everybody should see. That center is the first thing they should see when they walk into Laurentian, because that is where we come from. We are the first people of our land, and he's excited about that, and the whole university is excited about that. What we're really trying to do with our center is create a sense of community and create a sense of connectedness. So we're really trying to make sure that our students feel good. And obviously any other resources that people need. So whether it be printing, faxing, communicating to home, we have safe spaces to call home or Skype in. We have all the technology that you need to be able to do that, which is really great for the students.
From my experience in seeing students come through the center, they really quickly understand that anything's possible. Sky's the limit. And with supportive staff, it can be achieved.
I find that the relationships that you build with them, they become like your aunties. And especially if you are in a place that is away from home, you need aunties.
I think that education is one of the key things that leads us to Minimum, which is the good life. And I think it gives us a really good sense of self, and it gives us a really good self-confidence to be able to lead into the future, as our students are our future generation, and they're going to lead us into the next 7 generations. And I think it's key, and it gives you your voice. And as Indigenous people, I'm really excited for all of our students to find their voice, whatever it is, and I'm excited for that.